Alright, well here's a little guided tour of the National NC-88 receiver. As you can see, this one is a really clean unit. The knobs, normally these are all warped up. These are in fine shape. This is a general coverage receiver with band spread. And the accuracy is right on the money like it should be. And as you can see, the controls are nice and clean and legible. Nothing's wore off. This receiver's in great condition. Open up the lid here, and if you look inside, you see it's got the copper chassis. And I didn't even clean this chassis, guys. I just dusted it off. There's no corrosion. This thing's in super condition. You can see the little antenna tuning capacitor there. Here's your band spread over here. Your main tuning cap there. Nothing on this receiver has ever been worked on that I can determine. I threw in 3 new tubes, the 6BE6, and then the 2 little IF tubes, the 6 BD6s. Other than that, all the tubes in this thing check excellent, and even has the original National internal speaker. Alright, so I kind of walk around it, and you can see the finish is in very nice condition. There's been no extra holes made in the back panel. There's your antenna jacks. There's your little hinges there for the top. They're in great shape. This cabinet is excellent, and what's really nice about this receiver, of course, is the built-in speaker, so it's a beautiful bench side type receiver. And really, to put the icing on the cake, I've got the original manual, and this is an original, not a photocopy. So it's got all the operation stuff, your dial cord, you know, under chassis shots, parts list, and on the back is a schematic. Alright, bottom side, first off, you see the little feet. They all got their little felts. This receiver hasn't been scooted around or abused at all. And if you look inside, she's 100% stock. I see no signs of any past maintenance at all. And what's nice too is this doesn't have those old paper wax caps that go bad. So there's no real reason to get in here and change what's in it. Just run her the way she is. Alright, here's a little live demonstration of the National NC-88 receiver. First off, I'll pan across the controls so you can see what you get. You got your antenna tuning, sensitivity, you got your receive standby switch in case you run a transmitter, your band switch, A&L, your tone high-low AM sideband switch. Your main tuning is here. This is your pitch control, and what's really nice about this pitch control, it's not like a standard one with a variable coil. This is actually a variable pot, and it's much more stable than the old BFOs I've been used to. Here's your phone jack, your volume with the AC off, your band spread, which goes to the band spread control panel here, and your main tuning. And right now, we're set on band D, which is 14 to 40 megahertz.
Zo is dat. En daarmee zijn we aan het einde.
Mode is AM.
Via ons Gmail-adres opzee@opzee.nl. En zorg ook even
We can adjust the main tuning. See if there's anything else on there.
En dan linksboven opzee. Dank voor het gezelschap en tot volgende week weer.
Alright, we'll switch bands and modes here in a second. Right now we're on band C, which is 7 megahertz or 40 meter band. Got her in CW mode. And you can hear that, and you can adjust your pitch. Like I say, the pitch control is very stable on this radio. I think you'll enjoy that. Alright, now we're on band B, an 80 meter band.
Alright, now here's the guy I'm not going to
side banders on there.
I did forget about him earlier. Happening now, November 8th, FGB, fine German beer with the big signal in the state of Michigan. Welcome once again to the Seeker 75 meter phone net. This is NA3 Chuck and Rich, it's your turn again.
Okay, not a whole lot to add.
And there she is under the hood, glowing in the dark.
You might like to see that. Update and what happened today on Wall Street is
by the way, I did clean the wipers on the tuning caps, so you're not going to get a bunch of scratchies when you're tuning it. Alright, now we're on band A, which is the broadcast band. There's some booming AM on here.
That NC-88 tournament has so much emphasis, it defines college basketball.
All right, Tom, then let's get down to the to the quick here. Is Michigan going to make it? Are they going to beat Minnesota? Are they going to get into the NCAA tournament?
The speaker on this thing sounds beautiful. It's nice and bold sounding, no crackles or pops. I think you'd be real happy with this receiver. So take a look at it and see what you think and give me a big old bid. Thanks.